Introduce reviews or features highlight before select OiLiehu dashcam mirror for car. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you choose OiLiehu dashcam mirror for car. Inch IPS full touchscreen. 9.66-inch full touchscreen uses a 2.5D glass curved screen, more suitable for the curvature of the human retina, and fits better with the curved surface of the fingers. Makes touchscreen operation smoother and more responsive. More ideally compatible with most rear-view mirrors, less bulky and more securely mounted, won't cause the recorded video to shake. Large screen replay, restore the real scene. Front and rear view dual cameras. 150° front and 120 degrees rear lens records more detailed drive video. Wider angle mirror dashcam helps avoid blind spots. Swipe up and down to adjust the view, and swipe left and right to change the view of the front and back lenses. Reversing and parking monitoring. When reversing car, the mirror dashcam auto display backup camera image in full screen. The screen image will display park assist lines. You can manually adjust the display range either up or down to reach the best field of view. It can help you park more safely. Parking. In parking mode, when collision impacts or bumps, the video and audio are automatically recorded in an endless loop and saved in memory card. Recording and G sensor. And with 32 GB TF card, when the SD card is full, it will cover the previous video file to continue the recording. This device has built-in G sensor. If collision occurred to the car, the backup cam mirror will automatically lock the special video file, which will not be covered by the loop recording and stored to ensure that the most important videos are not lost. In addition, the dashcam supports 32 GB SD card max, included, can record more important moments. Night vision. Equipped with superior sensor, the dashcam help capture clear videos with enhanced details in low light conditions, clearly display the license plate number, road signs. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all.